It is a dinosaur. Ooh, look at this dinosaur. Popping. Listen, if you pop this dinosaur, it makes a popping sound because obviously that's why they're called poppets. Let's see. Yay, what is this one? Ooh, let me see if this one does the same thing. Yes, it does. But listen, what I want to do with these poppets today is stack them up, and I want to see what happens when we put different liquids in them and then put them in the freezer. Are you ready to do this with me? All right, let's see. First, we are going to use some milk. We are going to use some melted chocolate, and I added a little bit of milk in the chocolate so it can melt better. Some fizzy apple soda. Some orange drink. And some JELLO. Let's see what's going to happen if we put them in the freezer.
Later, 24 hours later, much later, much later.
It's time. We have to take them out and let's see what happened to each and every one of them when they were frozen. that's it, everybody. That's what I got from my Poppets today. I hope you had fun with me, and it was so funny seeing what happened to each and every one of these liquids in the Poppets. Well, I can't wait to see you again. You must have a lovely day. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Love you.